I'm going to explain how to put on our outsiders for doing your outside corner bead. Comes with 2 of each of these pieces and then 1 extra washer, thick washer. I'll show you where they all go now. Okay, so you're going to want to take your axle off. Take this brass washer off the back here. Replace it with this thicker one and install it back on there. Take your wheel off. Get rid of that black washer or brass washer. Take your outside wheel, put it on like that, and then attach it. Make sure your wheel spins freely. Do the same on the other side. Okay. You're going to take your little support brackets, back the screws out so they're not sticking out. Pop them on here, slide them all the way, butt them up against the new part of the wheel you just put on, and tighten the 2 screws. Repeat the process on this side. Okay. The reason why we put this thicker washer on there is to give you enough room back here for the back of your outsider to not hit this plate sticking up here. So you need to make sure you put that metal washer on. And now you're ready to run your outside corners, and you don't need to remove it to run your regular flats.